but why the 2024 ends? But it's so fast. You need to live for more years.
Yes, it's okay. Ayan na. Tapos na. Welcome 2025!
Let's go 2025!
Salamat mga puso!
Lahat tayo ay blessed na 2025!
Mom, are we in Cebu or Davao? Mom, are we in Cebu or Davao?
No, we are in Luzon.
Oh, Luzon? Okay, I miss it. Bye.